Experience unstoppable energy with the Soundcore Sport X20 wireless earbuds built for intense workouts and all-day comfort. Feel every beat with powerful sound, deep bass, and a secure fit that keeps you moving.
What's in the box?
In the box, you find the Soundcore Sport X20 wireless earbuds,
Charging case, extra ear tips, charging cable, and user manual. Product overview.
adjustable and rotatable ear hook, charging contactors, ear tip, multifunction button, charging case button, USB-C charging port.
How to wear.
Insert the earbuds into your ear canal and gently twist until they feel comfortable and secure. Then lift and adjust the ear hooks around your ears for a snug, stable fit.
How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. Place the case on a key-compatible wireless charging pad. Make sure the indicator light turns on to confirm wireless charging has started. This is a convenient method if you prefer a cable-free setup. How to pair.
Start by opening Settings and going to Connected Devices, then tap Pair New Device. Next, open the charging case by pressing the button, remove the earbuds, and place them back into the case. This will put them into pairing mode, and you should see them appear in the device list. Once they show up, tap the earbuds and then tap Pair.
Smart features.
The earbuds feature rotatable and extendable ear hooks that adjust to your ear shape for a secure fit. This keeps them stable during running, gym workouts, or intense training sessions. Large 11mm dynamic drivers with bass-up technology deliver deep bass and clear sound. This powerful audio makes music more energetic and motivating during workouts. Built-in ANC reduces background noise like gym equipment, traffic, or crowd sounds. It helps you stay focused on your music, podcasts, or calls without distractions. With IP68 water and dust resistance plus sweat guard technology, the earbuds are designed to handle sweat, rain, and intense workouts without damage.
Specifications. Safety precautions.
Want to grab the Soundcore Sport X20 wireless earbuds from Amazon?
Just tap on the link in the description below.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Soundcore Sport X20 wireless earbuds. See you at the next one.